Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play Reckless Love on the ukulele. We will begin by learning the 4 fundamental chords needed for the song: G, C, M, and D. It is important to practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes. Make sure your fingers are pressing down firmly on the strings to produce clear, resonant notes. Consistent practice will build your muscle memory. Next, let's master the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed. This helps in achieving a consistent and fluid rhythm. Focus on maintaining a steady tempo from beginning to end, ensuring each strum is clear and intentional. Now, let's combine our chords with the strumming pattern, focusing on smooth transitions and precise timing. Practice changing chords exactly on the beat to maintain a seamless flow. Listening carefully to the original song will help you internalize the rhythm and feel. Begin at a slow pace, then gradually increase your playing speed as you become more comfortable. Finally, it is time to put everything together and play Reckless Love in its entirety. Combine the 4 chords and the strumming pattern seamlessly, letting the music flow. Singing along can greatly enhance your timing and overall musicality. Enjoy the process of playing this beautiful and inspiring song on your ukulele, sharing its message through your music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.